This tutorial shows you how to use rubric charts for scoring assignments. Please see our help guide for using rubric grade scales or standards-based grading. In your gradebook, go to Grades, Edit Rubrics. Select an assignment to attach a rubric to it. Note that any assignments with rubrics already attached are denoted with a dot. Once here, fill in the chart with the criterion, the weight of that criterion, scores, and descriptions. Let's take a look at an example already filled in. For any row, you can select it and then click here to add a new cell. Note that each row can have different numbers of cells. Click here to add a new row. To delete a cell, simply erase the score. To delete a row, click here. Click here to move a row up or down. The total points is shown at the bottom, assuming you use numbers as scores. Alternatively, you can enter points for each criterion without a chart. Just erase all the scores and descriptions except for the first column. Enter the total points possible for that criterion. You can also create rubrics which are a combination of subtotals and charts, such as this. Once a rubric has been attached to an assignment, you can select it. You can make any changes or edits that you would like, and then click Done to save. You can click Revert to revert any changes you have made since you came to this screen. To enter grades on a rubric, go to Grades, Turn-ins Rubric, then select the assignment from this menu. If students have submitted documents online, you will see them here. But even if you're grading paper documents, this is still the right screen. Click the score for each performance indicator, or you can type in the number here. Hover your mouse over any indicator or score to see a description. Check this to use the total rubric points as the assignment score. In this case, make sure the Input As menu is set to points, and the Out Of menu on the Grades assignment screen matches the points possible on your rubric. You can add a comment here. Students can see the rubric for an assignment by clicking it on one of several screens. Once it's graded, it highlights which scores they got. You can copy rubrics to other assignments, or share and access shared rubrics from other teachers. To copy a rubric from another assignment, first select the assignment on the Edit Rubrics menu. Then select Copy From. You can use the menus to choose the assignment from which to copy. You can choose from current or past gradebooks, as well as select any rubric shared by colleagues. Once you click Copy, you will see it here. This creates a copy of that of your colleague, so when you edit it, it does not affect the original source. If you choose to copy from another assignment, for an assignment which already has a rubric, you can choose to replace the current rubric or append to add the rubric cells to the current one. To share rubrics with colleagues, first select an assignment with a rubric. Then click Share. Add a descriptive title, and if there are multiple schools in your account, you can choose which schools to share with, or select all. Administrators can also create rubrics for sharing on the Setup Rubrics screen. Any rubrics created by administrators are automatically shared with the entire school.